Versatile Facade provides versatility, modularity, and flexibility, so we can help the real estate investors to adapt their buildings according to its environment and the dynamic around. Hi, I'm David Luc. I'm the initiator of Versatile Facade. Versatile Facade offers the possibility to change the external facade of a building without altering the interior works, without the use of an external scaffolding. On the top of this, we can offer an installation rate higher by 50%, and the cost of the operation can be between 25% and 75% cheaper than a renovation project. Our solution is a combination between a construction system which have been already used with tested materials and processes, and an engineering service based on our construction experience and the use of data-driven analysis tools.